Transform your eyes from this to this. Small eyeshadow brush, medium brown eyeshadow, back and forth in your crease and bring it out to your temples. Keep adding some pigment until you're happy with the color. Keeping your eyes open, drawing from the point of the shadow all the way down to your eyelid. A bigger fluffy brush, back and forth to blend any harsh lines. Back in, repeating the first 2 steps to build up that dimension again. And with a big fluffy brush, blending it out all the way to our temples, bringing it out a little bit further. A flat brush and a nude matte eyeshadow. Lightly dab this on the inner corner of your eyelid. Follow it through to the center and then in between the outer V of your shadow. Same brush and an even lighter nude shadow. Focus this right on the inner corner of your eyelid just to open up your eyes a bit more. Back in with your first small brush, we are blending back and forth only the outer V just to intensify the color so we match it like the other eye. Really thin brush and black eyeshadow. Keeping your eyes open, we're going to create just a line where you want your wing to be angled. Make sure not to close your eyes on the next step. We are joining that wing onto the lash line, making sure it's creating a straight line against your eyelid. Stretch out your eye to make this step a little bit easier and lightly dab the shadow right against your lash line to make sure it's as thin as possible. Use your nail or your finger and you're going to lightly smudge the outer point of your liner so it gives it an effortless flick. Go over the inner corner of your liner with a felt tip liner. Smudge out the inner corner with a brush. Grab a pair of Snatched lashes. These are Snatched 5.0. Flip the lash upside down and apply some glue on the lash band. Let the glue get a little bit tacky. Gently place your lash on your eyes. I like to lightly stretch my eye so I can see clearly that the lash is on properly, and with very light pressure I use my tweezers to press it against my lash line. Apply a little bit of pressure on the outer end to give it that extra lift. A little bit of mascara on the roots of your lashes. It's up to you if you want to add some eyeshadow or mascara on your lower lash line. I like to leave it clean like this because I feel like it gives it more of that extra snatch finish to my eyes. And that is the end of the tutorial of how to get this really effortless, clean and snatched eye look.